Big jaws, but the stress is too much. Welcome to Ricky and Brenda's The Great Escape.
So I'm gonna be quiet. I'm gonna shut my mouth. And I'm just gonna video because I'm planning on putting music for you guys to enjoy.
Vagué perdido por tantos años, persiguiendo sombras, ahogado en llantos. Las cadenas de la adicción me ataban fuerte, una prisión oscura sin salida aparente. Pero en mi quebranto clamé: Dios, si eres real, no me dejes caer. Entonces como fuego llegó a mi ser, el Espíritu Santo me hizo renacer. En un instante las cadenas cayeron, el poder de la adicción desapareció. Sin más dolor, sin más clamor, el Señor Altísimo me liberó. Oh, su Espíritu me dio vida otra vez, y ahora camino en victoria con Él. Oh, oh. Yeah. Por 33 años luché en vano, una guerra de culpa, un dolor insano, pero la misericordia como un río llegó. La sangre de Jesús mi alma lavó. Los antojos se fueron, la culpa se borró, paz y gracia llenaron lo que Él restauró. Sanó mi corazón, mi alma entera, mis piezas rotas juntó de nueva manera. En un instante las cadenas cayeron, el poder de la adicción desapareció. Sin más dolor, sin más clamor, el Señor Altísimo me liberó. Oh, su Espíritu me dio vida otra vez, y ahora camino en victoria con Él. Yeah. Ya no soy quien era, fui redimido. Lo que era desesperanza, ahora es un sueño cumplido.
The menú del día is like if you go to different places, you can ask for the menú del día,
Right.
and it's typically a set price, and you get like your first dish, main dish, and you get bread and a dessert included in that price, which is not bad. This one is 15. It's different everywhere you go,
Right.
but this one is 15. You get your first dish, it could be a salad, a soup, even paella this one has,
Yep.
spaghettis, and then your second plate is your meats.
Right.
So you'll get a meat, and then your bread and your dessert. Pretty good for $15.
Yeah. Yep. That was not bad. And that's in this area. You can get
Oh, but that's a combination.
you can get different ones
Right.
like in other areas that are probably gonna be cheaper too.
Oh, mira, this is new. I haven't seen this one, Paco Burger. Look at that street.
Yeah, that's cool. I love these type of alleys. Look, they're selling the whole building. You want to buy it?
It's a nice building. Look at how I like the door.
Yeah. So as always, every time, never fails. We walk around, we found a new spot, or we find a new spot. We've seen this one before. Of course, we walked by many times, but it's never been open. But today is. Yeah. This is the church that I one time made a video and a story about how somebody was hanged from that corner way back when. So this is the church. This is the church across. What's that? So there are two areas to go in. You can go up, Just what we're doing here. There's a very steep stairs. Very, very steep. I'm having a hard time reaching one step from another one. And it keeps going around. Yeah, it keeps going up. And another one. Whoa. More. Oh, jeez. This is crazy. Wow. I meant to put some steps, but jeez. Oh, and it keeps going up. I'm about to pass out. There's a view on this one window. Another view from over here. Guys, I'm really sorry about my breathing, but these stairs are not a joke. Oh wow. Now this, look how close to the top of the Alhambra we are. That building that we see way over there, that's the Abadia of Sacramento, which we've been there. That's the building where Brenda freaked out. That one time. God, that voice. It does it on purpose. And then, that building right there, where is it? Oh, that building right there.
The one we wanted to live.
That's the one, if I had the money, I would have purchased that building. Although I'm sure it wasn't for sale just to anyone. Because that's like, it looks part of, I mean, I don't know. I'm just assuming, I'm just making stuff up. I told Brenda that could have been, that building could have been for the servants or for the housekeeping people of the Alhambra at one point, but I don't know. But it's old, colonial looking. Somebody bought it. It could have been the ayuntamiento. It could have been them, you know, the local government who bought it. But I know they're fixing it. By the time it's done, it's gonna be interesting to show this video, this clip, and a clip of when it's done. You can see the difference. If I'm not mistaken, at the bottom part here, let me see if my finger can show it right in this section. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's gonna be like a museum, because I think at one point I saw something to that effect. It looked like they were just gonna do like, I don't know, just a museum of some kind. The bottom building, or the top building, I'm sorry, not sure what it's gonna be. Could be, they could make it a historical thing where people pay an admission to see whatever it is. I doubt it's gonna be a hotel or something like that. I mean, but we'll see. We'll see. It'll be interesting to see what is it that they're doing with it. So these bells, they got 4 of them. I had no idea that this is how they operate them. So obviously that's a modern addition to it. Because typically that's not the way they used to operate them. So down we go. So we are now in the church part. And there's my Savior, the one that fights all my battles. Telling Brenda not to feed the birds because they all want to come out, hang out. Yeah, look at that. Whoa. So they're hanging out with Ricky and Brenda from The Great Escape. So we decided to have a quick snack because we walked all the way down, and now is the part where we need to regain our energy so we can go back up. We're sitting down on this very relaxing bench here at the Plaza Nueva. I'm gonna flip the camera around, show you what it looks like around here. This is definitely not, it's an area that we should all be familiar with. It's Plaza Nueva. We've done many videos here where they do the free flamenco sometimes down there. Like I was just showing the birds, because we were eating some delicious empanadas, and the crumbs that fell down, you know, the birds just, they all came down. There was like a whole bunch at one point. So in this video, you probably have a section, I'm thinking at the end, I'm gonna leave you with a time-lapse with a nice song, some music for you to enjoy. So I'm gonna take advantage of this moment to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and be safe out there. Hope you guys enjoy the holidays. Yesterday was kind of like the end of it, Tres Reyes. But anyways, until the next video, see ya. We're going up on those 3 different paths to go up the Alhambra. This time I chose the middle one, and Brenda chose the stairs. This is the one I'm on, and she's way up there. Let me, I can't zoom in, but she's up there. I don't know if you can see her, but I just walked over from up there, and I'm doing the last time lapse, so I'm gonna get back to it. So we made it to our scooter, and
I took the hard way up. Ricky took the easy. Had to wait for him for 10 minutes.
sick, not sick. Me right now, it's cold, I'm sweaty, and I'm sick. Perfect combination for a pneumonia. Awesome.
What an exaggerator. He loves to exaggerate. Typical man.
Yeah. Like she doesn't go. She wakes up, and you know the first thing that comes out of her mouth.
Nope.
Hello and welcome. Glad to see you. My name is Chef Ricky, and I want to share a couple of things today with you. The first thing I want to share with you, it's about following your dreams and your goals.
Primera producción.